Today we're going to be taking a look at the Shure MV7 Podcast kit. And yeah, this comes in the kit, and they actually sell it with just the microphone only, which is the Shure MV7. So yeah, we're going to be taking a look at this one today. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull everything out of the box and see what all comes inside the box. Okay, so go ahead and pull this one out first. It's actually got two boxes in there. Okay, toss that to the side, and let's see what all comes in here. So we'll go ahead and start with this big one first. And I'm assuming this is the actual microphone. So yeah, you get a quick start guide. And this is basically telling you to download the free app. I guess you would put this on your computer or your Mac, and this basically, so you can actually make adjustments on the mic when you're using it, you know, as far as gain and everything else that it does. I'm not sure what it does. I have to actually check that out. So, and here, right here is the microphone. Wow, this thing's got some weight to it. Whew, this thing is heavy. Wow, this is nice. I like this. This is very nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. And here's the back where the ports are. And right here you got this little cover. This is the front of the mic. Yeah, this thing feels really good. I don't know if this is made out of metal or probably it feels like aluminum. Aluminum is metal, right? But yeah, it's pretty rugged. This thing is solid. Yeah. And then you got the little mount right here. This is where you would mount it to a boom or a mic stand or something. But yeah, this thing is awesome. I'm liking it so far. And then up here on the front, they have this little, got this little touch bar right here on the front. Not sure if the camera will pick that up very well, but yeah, it's a touch bar right there, so you can make adjustments on the fly. All right, so let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. Okay, I guess this is the cables right here, so we'll go ahead and pull that out. Yeah, those are the cables. So we got something in bubble wrap. And this is plastic wrap. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so it looks like USB-A to mini HDMI, or USB-A, HDMI-A, my bad, HDMI to mini HDMI. So this is basically what you would use to hook this thing up to your PC. You would use this cable right here, and it looks like it just plugs right into here. Yeah, because you got on the back here, you got a XLR, headphone jack, and mini HDMI. So basically you would plug this cable in to the back here and then to your PC, so you can use it through the HDMI. Okay, so we'll go ahead and toss this over here. And you get this other cable right here. So yeah, this is mini HDMI to USB-C. So if you own a Mac, you would actually use this cable to hook this up to your Mac. Okay, so go ahead and set that there for now. Actually, let me go ahead and toss all this stuff out the way. And looks like you got some paperwork in here, so let's go ahead and go over all that paperwork. So we'll go ahead and toss that box to the side. And I'm not sure what this is. This looks like in some different language or something. I don't see any other languages on here. So yeah, we'll go ahead and, yeah, I'm not sure what that is, guys. But we'll go ahead and toss that here. And we give you this little card, important information to user. Okay, we're not going to read that now. Go ahead and toss that. And I believe this is the warranty. Yep, it says Shure limited warranty. So this is your warranty paper right here. And says, please read. I guess you're supposed to read this before you actually use it. Gives you some warnings and stuff like that, safety precautions. So I'm gonna have to read this before I hook this thing up. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out what comes in this other box. So I'm assuming this is the mic stand. Looks like actually it looks like a tabletop tripod. Oh yeah, this thing is pretty nice. I have a tripod similar to this, but I guess this is pretty much made for this microphone, and it has some Shure branding right here on the leg. And there's your thread right there where you would actually thread the mic on right there. And I believe this is to adjust the tilt on there. Yep. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and screw this on and see how this thing works. So we'll go ahead and hold it up like this. Hopefully I get it threaded properly. I don't want to strip the threads. Ooh boy. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this way. There, nope. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it goes on there like so. And there you go, guys. Look at that. Awesome. This is like perfect right here. It's like right, you know, 6 inches from the mouth. Yep. So yeah. Awesome. So I guess when you put the cables in, you would actually run them like on here and then down this way, because you don't want cables hanging off the side. So I guess you would kind of like put it a little bit out of the frame, I guess, like to the side like that. Yeah, but we're gonna have to figure that out. And what else comes in here? I'm not sure if there's something else in here. I guess you don't get an XLR cable. It doesn't come with an XLR cable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is everything you get in this box. So yeah, let's take a look at this paperwork again. So yeah, you get basically tells you how to download the app right here, and your quick start guide right here. So this is your user's manual right here. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And yeah, my first impressions on this thing, very high quality, feels really good in the hands, very rugged. And this thing does pack some weight to it. And this little red button on the side right here is where you would actually, tilt the mic. So you can have it like that, like facing towards you, upwards. You can have it, basically positioned any way you want. Yeah, because this thing has so much weight to it, feels like you got to be careful that it doesn't topple over. Maybe want to invest in a better mic stand. But yeah, this will do, I believe. Yeah, I guess it's the way you position it. So if I was to position it like this, then it feels like it wants to topple over, like it wants to tip over. Yeah, see, so you gotta have it like that with the actual leg bent this way. Yeah, so far this is good. I'm liking this. So yeah, I'm going to be doing another video on this because I currently use the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic right here that I'm wearing. That's what I use to make my videos, and I'm going to start using this because I want that really clear and crisp sound. You know, I want my sound to be very good, you know, because that's very important when you do videos. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a video on this thing when I get it set up, and I'm going to be doing a comparison video with the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic and this thing. I'm just going to compare sound quality and everything like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'll be doing that video. If you guys like this video, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys have a good day. Peace. I'm out.